Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Pydantic versus Dataclass. So which platform is best in this year? So when working with Python, developers often need ways to structure and validate data. Two common choices are Pydantic and Dataclass. While both are useful, they serve different purposes, and knowing their strengths helps in choosing the right tool. So Pydantic is a library that focuses on data validation and parsing. It is often used in projects where data comes from outside sources like APIs, user inputs, or databases. So with Pydantic, you can define models that not only store data but also automatically check types and convert values into the right format. For example, if an input is supposed to be an integer but comes as a string, Pydantic can handle that conversation. It also provides helpful error messages when data is invalid, which makes it strong for production applications where safety and correctness matter. Now, data class, on the other hand, is a part of Python's standard library and is mainly focused on making classes simpler. It reduces the amount of boilerplate code needed when creating objects to store structured data. So with a data class, you can define a class with just a few lines. The Python automatically creates methods, while data class is great for organization and readability. It does not include automatic validation or type conversation like Pydantic. It is best suited for simpler use cases where the data is already trusted or controlled. So overall, Pydantic is better when you need a strong validation and parsing, while data class is best for lightweight and simple data models. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.